Now, how does factoring look like when you're using algebra tiles? Honestly, the easiest thing in the world is just factor this using GCF. Seriously, honestly, and then cheat and go write the algebra tiles. It sounds like you're kind of cheating things, but oh well, let's see what happens. Here's the 3x plus 6. Notice that you can take a 3 out of both of these. So remember what factoring means. GCF, the greatest common factor, in fact, is 3. Divide each one by 3. Okay, so there's your greatest common factor. 3x divided by 3 gives you an x plus, there's the same plus that's here. 6 divided by 3 is 2. That's what it looks like. So what does this look like if you're going to put this as algebra tiles? Well, you can do a couple things. You can say, okay, this is my first factor. That's 3. There's my second factor, x plus 2. And you can do it that way. Okay? Boom. And you can say, okay, there's 3 times x. There's my 3x. There's my 3 times 2. There's my 6. And everybody's happy. Purists won't like you for that. They will say, you have to show me the actual algebra tiles. Okay, so here we go. Let's show the actual algebra tiles. That's 3, okay? So 1, 2, 3. There's the ones tiles. There's an x. So here we go. There's an x. There's 2. 1, 2. Now, just combine the ends. Look at this. There we go. Just combine them. Look how simple and look how fast. There's your 1, 2, 3x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're done. Okay? So somebody says you have to show the actual algebra tiles. Factor first. Do this first, which I think is a lot easier, and then go back and show this, which then becomes a walk in the park. Here, watch again. This one's a little bit tougher. This is 2x squared plus 6x. I'm going to GCF this. I know that I can take, and I'm going to write this a better way. I like to write this in what we call descending powers. So the largest power first, followed by the next powers, and so on and so forth. If there was a number back here, then I would put a number. Now, look at the numbers. 2 and 6. 2 and 6 means that the GCF is 2. There's 2 x's here, 1 x here. Weakest link. Only 1 x that's common to both of these things, right? Leaving you with, divide this by 2x. The 2's cancel. X squared divided by x is x. Divide this by 2x. 6 divided by 2, 3. X's cancel. There you go. That's what it's going to look like. Okay? So there's your GCF, greatest common factor method of doing it. Quick and efficient. Now, let's look at this guy. Because you know what the factors are, making the algebra tiles are really easy. You know that that's 2x. So guess what? 1x, 2 x's. You know that this is x plus 3, okay? So there's x plus 1, 2, 3. Connect the lines. Done. Look at this. Look how fast this is. And you should get the original back, which is an x squared. An x squared. There's your 2x squared. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's your 6 x's. So there's your 2x squared plus 6x. I think by knowing GCF and being able to factor first, the algebra tiles just kind of fall into place after that.